Dera Ghazi Khan. The name itself evokes images of a distant frontier town, a place where the wildness of nature meets the bustle of human life. This city, with its unique blend of natural beauty and human endeavor, stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. Nestled between the rugged Suleiman Mountains and the fertile plains of the Indus River, Dera Ghazi Khan offers a striking contrast of landscapes. The city is a vibrant hub, where the untamed wilderness seamlessly merges with the organized chaos of urban life. Situated in the southern part of Pakistan's Punjab province, Dera Ghazi Khan is more than just a geographical location. It is a city steeped in history and surrounded by a landscape of stark beauty. The city's strategic location has made it a focal point for various cultures and civilizations over the centuries. Dera Ghazi Khan is a city steeped in history and surrounded by a landscape of stark beauty. Its historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each structure telling a story of its own. From ancient forts to colonial-era architecture, the city is a living museum. For centuries, this city has stood at a crossroads, a meeting point for traders, travelers, and tribes. The old trading routes that crisscross the region have brought people from diverse backgrounds together, fostering a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. A bustling market scene captures the essence of Dera Ghazi Khan's vibrant community. Here you can find a mix of traditional and modern influences, from local crafts to contemporary goods. The city's markets are a microcosm of its diverse population, reflecting the harmonious coexistence of different cultures. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures. The ruins of ancient structures and historical monuments scattered throughout the city serve as reminders of its glorious past. Each stone and artifact holds a piece of history waiting to be discovered. The city comes alive during cultural festivals where traditional dance performances and ceremonies showcase the rich heritage of its people. These events are a celebration of the city's enduring spirit and a testament to the resilience of its cultural identity. Today, Dera Ghazi Khan is a vibrant tapestry of old and new, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Modern infrastructure stands alongside ancient buildings, creating a unique blend of past and present. The city's skyline is a visual representation of its dynamic evolution. The local craftspeople at work and community gatherings reflect the strong sense of community that pervades the city. Whether it's traditional pottery or contemporary art, the creativity and craftsmanship of Dera Ghazi Khan's residents are evident in every corner. The city is a fascinating blend of contradictions. Ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations, creating a unique cultural mosaic. The juxtaposition of modern and historical architecture in the streets of Dera Ghazi Khan is a visual testament to this harmonious blend. Ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. Traditional ceremonies and practices are still observed with reverence, while young people embrace modern technology and global trends. This dynamic interplay between the old and the new is what makes Dera Ghazi Khan truly special. The rugged beauty of the surrounding mountains contrasts with the fertile plains along the Indus River. This natural diversity is mirrored in the city's cultural landscape, where different traditions and lifestyles coexist harmoniously. It is a place where the past is never far from the surface and where the future holds endless possibilities. Archaeological sites and historical artifacts are scattered throughout the city, offering glimpses into its rich and varied history. As the sun rises and sets over Dera Ghazi Khan, it casts a golden hue over the city, symbolizing the endless possibilities that the future holds. The sight of children playing against the backdrop of this historic city is a reminder that while the past is ever present, the future is bright and full of promise. Dera Ghazi Khan occupies a unique geographical position. The mighty Indus River, the lifeblood of Pakistan, flows along its eastern edge. To the west, the Suleiman Mountains rise dramatically from the plains, their peaks often shrouded in mist. This dramatic landscape dictates the city's climate. Summers are long and hot, the sun beating down relentlessly. The air is dry, and the wind often carries with it the fine dust of the surrounding desert. Winters bring a welcome respite from the heat. Days are mild and sunny, perfect for exploring the city's many historical sites. At night, the temperature drops and a blanket of stars illuminates the clear desert sky. The changing seasons mark the rhythm of life in Dera Ghazi Khan. They influence the crops that grow in the surrounding fields and the patterns of trade and commerce. The fertile plains surrounding Dera Ghazi Khan are a testament to the bounty of the Indus River. This river, one of the longest in the world, has been the lifeline of civilizations for millennia. Its waters nourish the land, making it one of the most fertile regions in Pakistan. This region is a breadbasket, a vital source of food for the nation. The farmlands stretch as far as the eye can see, a patchwork of green and gold. Here, farmers work tirelessly, tending to their crops with dedication and care. Farmers here cultivate a variety of crops, their livelihoods inextricably linked to the land. From the early morning light to the setting sun, their hands are always busy, planting seeds, nurturing plants, and harvesting the fruits of their labor. Cotton, the white gold, is a major cash crop. Its fluffy bolls are a common sight in the fields. This crop not only supports the local economy, but also plays a significant role in the textile industry, both locally and internationally. Wheat, the staple food of Pakistan, grows in abundance, its golden stalks swaying in the breeze. The sight of these fields is a symbol of sustenance and prosperity, ensuring that the nation is well fed. Sugarcane, too, thrives in this climate. The tall green stalks are a testament to the region's agricultural diversity and the farmer's expertise in cultivating different crops. Its tall stalks, heavy with sweet juice, are a familiar sight on the roadsides. These stalks are often transported to local markets where they are sold fresh or processed into various products. The air often carries the scent of jaggery, a traditional sweetener made from sugarcane juice. This age-old process of making jaggery is a cherished tradition passed down through generations. The agricultural richness of Dera Ghazi Khan is a source of pride for its people. The community comes together to celebrate their harvests, showcasing the fruits of their hard work and dedication. It is a reminder of their deep connection to the land and their role in feeding the nation. As the sun rises and sets over these fertile fields, it casts a golden glow, symbolizing hope, resilience, and the enduring spirit of the farmers who call this land home. Dera Ghazi Khan is a melting pot of cultures, a place where different ethnicities and languages have converged over centuries. The city is a living museum of cultural diversity, where the past and present blend seamlessly. Walking through its streets, one can witness a rich tapestry of traditions, each thread telling a unique story of its people. The city's strategic location on ancient trade routes has shaped its identity, making it a vibrant tapestry of traditions and influences. These trade routes brought not only goods, but also ideas, beliefs, and customs from far and wide. The architecture of Dera Ghazi Khan reflects this blend, with buildings that showcase a mix of styles from different eras and cultures. The dominant language spoken in Dera Ghazi Khan is Saraiki. This language is more than just a means of communication. It is a vital part of the region's identity. The melodic tones of Saraiki can be heard in the marketplaces, homes, and gatherings, creating a sense of unity among its speakers. This beautiful and expressive language is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Saraiki poetry and storytelling are integral parts of the local culture, passed down through generations. The calligraphy of Saraiki script is an art form in itself, often seen adorning walls and manuscripts. Urdu, the national language of Pakistan, is also widely spoken and understood. It serves as a bridge between different ethnic groups, facilitating communication and fostering a sense of national unity. In Dera Ghazi Khan, Urdu is commonly used in education, media, and daily interactions. The city's population is a mix of various ethnic groups, including Baloch, Pashtun, and Jat. Each group brings its unique customs, traditions, and cuisine, adding to the vibrancy of the local culture. Festivals and celebrations in Dera Ghazi Khan are a colourful display of this diversity, where people from different backgrounds come together in joyous harmony. Each group brings its unique customs, traditions, and cuisine, adding to the vibrancy of the local culture. Traditional Baloch cuisine, with its rich flavors and spices, is a culinary delight. Pashtun and Jat cultural celebrations, with their music, dance, and rituals, offer a glimpse into the heritage of these communities. The influence of Sufism, a mystical branch of Islam, is deeply embedded in the social fabric of Dera Ghazi Khan. Sufi gatherings, known as mehfils, are spiritual events where people come together to experience the divine through music, poetry, and dance. These gatherings are a testament to the city's spiritual depth and its embrace of mystical traditions. The shrines of Sufi saints dot the landscape, attracting devotees from far and wide. These shrines are not just places of worship, but also centers of community life, where people seek solace, blessings, and a sense of connection to the divine. The annual Urs festivals, held in honor of the saints, draw large crowds and are marked by devotional music, prayers, and communal meals. Section 5. Nature's treasures, nature and wildlife. Beyond the bustling city, the natural world beckons. Dera Ghazi Khan is blessed with a diverse landscape that supports a surprising array of flora and fauna. The majestic Sulaiman Mountains, a sanctuary for wildlife, dominate the western horizon. These rugged peaks are home to leopards, ibex, and a variety of bird species. To the east, the Indus River sustains a rich ecosystem. The Kaha wetlands, located nearby, provide a vital habitat for migratory birds. These wetlands are a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these natural treasures. Local communities are playing an active role in preserving the delicate balance of their environment. Section 6. Echoes of the past, historical and religious sites. History whispers from every corner of Dera Ghazi Khan. The city is dotted with ancient forts, tombs and shrines, each with a story to tell. The tomb of Sardar Ghazi Khan, the city's namesake, is a prominent landmark. This imposing structure serves as a reminder of the city's founder and his legacy. Nearby, the shrine of Hazrat Saki Sarwar, a revered Sufi saint, attracts pilgrims from across the region. The annual Urs, or Death Anniversary celebration, is a colourful and vibrant affair. The remains of ancient forts, such as the fort of Ghazi Khan Mirani, offer glimpses into the city's past. These structures have witnessed centuries of history unfold beneath their ramparts. Section 7. A city on the rise, economy and development. Dera Ghazi Khan is a city on the cusp of transformation. While agriculture remains a cornerstone of the local economy, new industries are emerging. The discovery of natural gas reserves in the region has spurred economic growth. The city is also witnessing a surge in infrastructure development, with new roads, bridges and power plants being built. The government is investing heavily in education and healthcare, recognizing the importance of human capital for sustainable development. New schools, colleges and hospitals are being established. The spirit of entrepreneurship is alive and well in Dera Ghazi Khan. Young people are eager to embrace new opportunities and contribute to the city's growth. Section 8. Conclusion. The enduring spirit of Dera Ghazi Khan. Dera Ghazi Khan is a city of contrasts and contradictions, a place where the ancient and the modern coexist in a vibrant tapestry. It is a city shaped by its geography, its history and its people. From the rugged beauty of the Sulaiman Mountains to the fertile plains along the Indus River, Dera Ghazi Khan is a land of stark contrasts. Its cultural diversity, evident in its languages, traditions and cuisine, adds to its unique charm. The city stands at a crossroads, poised for growth and development. As Dera Ghazi Khan embraces the future, it does so with a deep respect for its past and a strong sense of community.